Hello and welcome to today's session of Ask the Pro, brought to you by Buylekkinownow. In this session, we answer all questions related to real estate to help you improve your game, become a better salesman, and make more money. So let's go.
Okay, Pro. Our first question here says that, can you share tips on how I can handle objections better?
All right. In order to handle objections better, you have to know that objection is part of the process. It's part of the sales process. Okay, you get so many no's before you get the yes. But at the end of the day, the yes actually, is worth it. So I'll share two strategies for you. Number one, if you get objections, it means that your offer is not catchy enough. Okay? And number two, it means that you're not communicating in terms that the client understands. So what you should do is, number one, create a very catchy offer that the clients can never refuse to get hold of. That is one of the best ways to do it. In this way, you get the people coming to you and not you actually going after them. Number two, you want to improve your communication skills. You want to ensure that you are using the right words, you're using the right body gestures, you're using the right authority figure to let the client know that you actually know what you're saying and you can actually deliver on what you have promised. So if you put these two things into play, you will handle objections easily and win every time.
Another one here says that, how can I position myself as a real estate expert even though I'm just a starter?
Alright, so if you want to position yourself as a real estate expert, the word expert, well, it has so many definitions, but if you're a starter, the first thing you want to do is to get the basic knowledge. The basic knowledge actually helps you to hit the ground running. So you want to have a network of other professional realtors. You want to listen to professional realtors in your field, people that you admire and people you aspire to be like. Alright? And number three, you want to train yourself. Okay, attend meetings, attend rallies, go for site inspections, have good product knowledge. When you put all these three things together, you come and you maybe create content or you do a video just like we're doing now, and you put out your thoughts daily. Be abreast with the information in the market, know what is happening in that space, and dish it out. And from there, you become the expert that everybody looks up to. Thank you.
Good day, Pro. Whenever I want to run ads, I struggle to generate copies that can sell, and it ends up discouraging me to run the ad. How can I create better copies that can be used to run real estate ads? Or should I just post the usual flyers and hope people like it?
Alright, so the wrong way to do it is to post the flyers and think that people will like it. Nah, never do that. Never do that. So, what is a flyer on your post if you're not telling me anything that the flyer entails? You're not giving me details. It means that you're not really serious about selling. You're not really serious about communicating. So, what you should do is to ensure that before you write a copy, you have to understand what is the message you want to spread. It is that simple. What do you want the audience to know? And what do you intend to do with the information? What do you want them to do at the end? Okay? So it is a beginning and an end. Alright? So when you write copies, you're writing with the intention of getting the attention of the client. You are educating them, you're taking them on a flow, you're taking them on a ride, you're taking them into the world of what you have to offer. That is how you write. You write to grab their attention, you write to sell the offer, you write to tell them why they need this offer, and you write to tell them how they can get this offer. That is how you should structure your piece of content. Thank you.
The last question here says, what are the best content strategies that can help me position my brand as an authority?
Yeah. So if you want to position your brand as an authority, you have to understand what works for you. So because of the time duration of this video, I'll not be able to go all lengthy, but in subsequent times I'll be able to do like a sequel, something very, very, very good for your viewership. All right, so you have to understand what works for you. What works for other people may not work for you. All right. So number one, you have to know what is your posting game. All right. What do people really like to see? Do you like to tell stories? Then tell stories. Do you really like to be on video, to do vlogs just like we are doing now? Then go ahead and do it. Are you very good with content writing, content creation? Then go ahead and do it. Are you very good with optimizing your social media pages, putting activities there? Then do it. Then if you're good in going live, you like going live on site, then do it. So these are many more options that are available for you to actually utilize to ensure that you grow in that space and you become a master of that space. Thank you. All right, so thank you very much, and this is my time here. Thank you for sending in the questions. It's always a pleasure to be here. All right, so till I come your way next time, keep following, keep sharing, and keep believing, and keep being better. Bye-bye.